Hi, today we came to Chiguacousy Park to study peacocks, but it seems like there's no peacocks. I guess I'll be a peacock if I'm waiting to see one. Today we're at Chiguacousy Park and we're observing peacocks. That is the peacock we just saw. And that is beautiful. What is the shape of their beak? Good question. The shape of their beak is kind of pointy. The shape of their beak is pointy and it's kind of a triangle. If you touch them, they can point it on your hand. And the shape of their body is a little round. The colors are blue. They have lots of feathers and brown little. And they have lots of feathers. They have a feathery tail. They're omnivores and they eat plants and animals. And the barn people give them food. In the Chicago Zoo, they are beautiful and colorful and birds, and they roam around without their cages. I really want to go back there again.